If you step into freezing cold shower, your body panics instantly.
Cold receptors inside your skin fire emergency signals toward your brain.
Your brain activates survival mode and prepares your entire nervous system.
Your heart suddenly beats faster to protect vital organs immediately.
Your blood vessels tighten to preserve heat inside your core.
Your lungs suddenly gasp as breathing reflex struggles adjusting instantly.
Your brain releases adrenaline, increasing alertness, energy, and mental clarity.
You realize cold shock transforms fear into powerful psychological control.